5 simple steps to improve your credit score. Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Fit Credit Repair. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 simple steps that you can take to improve your credit score. Whether you're looking to buy a house, a car, or just want to have better financial health, these steps will help you get there. The first step in improving your credit score is to know where you stand. You can get a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. Look for errors or inaccuracies in your report and dispute any that you find. Make sure you're paying your bills on time because late payments can have a significant negative influence on your credit score. Set up recurring reminders or automated payments to keep you on track. Your credit score is heavily influenced by your credit usage, or how much of your available credit you are really utilizing. Have a credit usage rate of no more than 30%. Try to pay off your credit card balances as quickly as you can if you have any. The length of your credit history is another important factor in your credit score. Closing old credit accounts can shorten your credit history and hurt your score. If you have old accounts that you're not using, it's better to keep them open and use them occasionally. Every new credit application you make has the potential to temporarily lower your credit score. Limit the number of times you apply for fresh credit, and only do it when you truly need it.